Guys, I just bought the new add-on. And this is the more TNT pack. Good. And this is plain suit. Let's test the dynamite right over here. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, it's explode. Start to be a skipper. And this is the earthquake TNT. Oh, I got a bucket, flint and steel. Oh my god, mga
magic gulaman. Magic gulaman. Magic gulaman.
oh my
Magic
god.
Okay na ba? Garan ka si Pingarina. Sabi na sa simbahan daw.
Laba TNT.
Dito ako, sa likod mo. Dito mo lang. Sige. Doon. Doon natawagan ako. Anong malaki ko sa wall? Pula? Pula? Amen?
This little balls. Balls. And time for the gravity right over here. Blink. What the hell?
Diba? Makasok.
What's just happened? So it could to flight, and it's time for the Ultra TNT. Wait. Oh my god, nawa. That's it's even bigger than the earthquake. Wow.
Bawal mo suot yan.
Now it's another TNT. Let's place it right over here. What the what this place was like what is again? Something in the vertex that has a spawner. Oh, Tisco! I said Tisco, you said Barty. Tisco. What? Tisco, Barty. Hey, light up. Oh. Yeah. Then it just starts to ducks. I'm gonna. Oh my god. There's a mix. There's a creeper. Oh, it gives you visions. Okay. Do you see the cow and the sheep tire?
Parang wala pa may.
Now is
Uy, may laman to.
laman pala. Now for the healing. Oh my God. Oh, it's kasi healing ba?
Damit mo. Asa yung short? Asa yung short? Asa yung short?
Dapat pala dito na nalagay yung kanin ko. Pero alam ko.
Wait lang, balik ko.
Oo, wala rito. Damit nyo na dito. Oo. Paano lagay mo doon? Hindi mo alam.
Ay, nilagay ko na nga. And just that. Now for this is the craziest one. So put it like this. So this is the last one, the top TNT. Rockets!
Wala sa lamesa.
Kiwaga. Oh no! Just a firework.
Yung shirt mo,
I
hindi baliktad
thought
yan.
it was floating in a ground. That makes sense, bruh. It's a rocket. So polar TNT now.
Baliktad na.
Ano ka na ko?
Asa hindi ko naman ulit.
Akala ko kung ano hinintay mo din. Tagal eh.
Lucky. It's just a lucky block.
Tagal eh, ano, takot na takot maano yung kamoy eh. Ino mo, oo. Ang tagal. Baka daw masugatan siya eh. Uy, masyadong maano sa ketchup.
Thank you.
Sarap niya yun.
Oh my. Oh my.
Ano binigay ka? Chinese?
Look at the size of this thing.
Ganda.
Look at the size of this thing, bruh. Let's let this boy up. Oh my God, this is exploding. It's exploding. Whoa.
Gawa mo yung may
Whoa. Look,
kasi may pa isang dulon-dulon
my
dito
game
eh.
literally freeze, bro. Ah. Colossal.
Oh, na naman yung ano.
Colossal.
Panandok
I
mo.
give you a 10, bro. I give you a 10. Okay, literally love Sonic. That's completely not playing her friends. Foxy.
Sarap yun eh.
Yun, sabi na eh. Bihira kasi bumili ng cook eh. Kaya walang cook na. Wala nang cook na malamig. Sprite. Meron.
Explode little TNT.
Wala
The little TNTs
Wala rin root
explode.
beer. Sprite, lemon, saka
Shockwave. Yahoo!
PPM mo ako ha, pag gano'n, bibili ka. Ha? PPM mo ako.
Gonna happen.
bibili ka. Nakaraan, may yun sa
Okay,
guys
okay.
at namalaki. Nabenta ko na nabenta eh.
This is good for painting. For painting, ano ba? But implosion TNT. Here we come. Up, whoop. I thought it's just a black hole. That's a black hole.
Tamis ang hangin.
That's crazy. That's literally crazy. Now put a trap in.
Baka mo. Hirap lang umupo eh.
Whoa, whoa.
Wala pat una bago likod eh.
Colossal. I give you this.
Right?
Kasi, tignan mo yung colossal TNT. Pagka-blink ko, nabubuhos game ko.
Plastic?
Wala yan.
Tagal ba yun eh? Oh,
Ba't tayo ni Ana?
Wala, ilag eh.
ano lang yan? Kala mo lang ano, tingnan lang yun. Walang damage. Those bugs. Lagay no! Ito yung pinaka, ano eh. Ito yung pinaka malaki na explosion eh. Yung colossal. Ganda no? Oh. And bye-bye guys. Colossal, you are 10 out of 10, bro. Literally best counting netherite. This is another colossal.
Dati Gia, isa pali ko. Gia.
This literally, what is the, oh, look at this. Look at this. Stop black hole. And this is ends here. Bye guys.